Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Netflix Inc. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in Netflix Inc., start by researching the company and understanding its business model. Review Netflix's financial performance, including revenue growth, profit margins, and earnings reports. Determine your investment goals, such as short-term trading or long-term holding. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage platform that supports trading in U.S. stocks. Complete the account registration process, which usually includes providing personal information and financial details. Fund your brokerage account with cash that you are willing to invest. Navigate to the trading section of your brokerage platform. Search for Netflix Inc. by entering its ticker symbol, Netflix. Review the stock's current price, historical performance, and market trends. Decide how many shares of Netflix you want to buy. Select your order type, choosing from market orders, limit orders, or others based on your strategy. If choosing a market order, confirm the purchase to buy shares at the current market price. If opting for a limit order, specify your desired price and wait for the market to meet your conditions. Once your order is executed, check your portfolio to confirm that the shares appear. Monitor your investment regularly, keeping an eye on Netflix's performance and any news related to the company. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes or news updates. Review your investment strategy periodically to determine if adjustments are needed based on market conditions. Remember to stay informed about trends in the streaming industry and competitor performance to make educated decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.